In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let others book a meeting with you using Google Calendar. Start on your computer by opening Google Calendar. In the top left, click the Create button, then choose Appointment Schedule. This creates a public booking page tied to your calendar, so people can only pick times you've made available. If you don't see Appointment Schedule, make sure you are signed in to a supported Google account and using a desktop browser. Next, set your availability. In the left panel, choose the days and hours when you want to accept bookings. You can create a single block of time or multiple blocks to reflect your real schedule. Pick a meeting duration that fits your needs, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Define the appointment window by selecting the start and end dates, when this schedule should be active, great for a limited time project or a season of office hours. Add buffer times between meetings, so you are not jumping from one call to the next. A short break helps you reset and stay on track. Now customize the booking page details that your guests will see. Give your schedule a clear title so people know what they're booking. Choose a location or method like Google Meet for virtual meetings, phone for a call, or a physical location for in-person sessions. If you select Google Meet, a meeting link will be generated automatically for each booking. Add a brief description that explains the purpose of the meeting and any preparation your guest should do. Keeping this concise and friendly helps set expectations and reduces back and forth. Then configure the booking form to collect the information you need. The essentials are typically name and email, and you can include a phone number if that's important for your workflow. Ask only for what you truly need to keep the booking experience quick and simple. Clear labels and a short note about why you are collecting each detail can improve response quality. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll see your new appointment schedule appear on your calendar. Click that block. Then click Share. From here, copy the booking page link to share via email, messages, or your social profiles. You can also grab the embed code to place the booking page directly on your website, so visitors can pick a time without leaving your site. As a best practice, open the link in a private browser window and make a test booking to confirm everything works the way you expect. That's it, you've set up an easy professional way for others to book time with you through Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.